in refrigeration system we have two things, that is solenoid valve and TEV, that is thermostatic expansion valve. So why we need the other one when the latter is present? Like when why we need TEV when we have solenoid valve, and when why we need solenoid valve when we have TEV? So the answer lies in the fact that solenoid valve is acting like a switch to the TEV. So means when the temperature is reached, now the system is sensing the temperature from inside the room, whether it is meat room, fish room, or vegetable room. So it is sensing from inside. So when the temperature of a certain room is reached, so then what it is doing is that the solenoid valve, it cuts off the supply of refrigerant to the TEV. Okay, so it is acting like a switch to the TEV. So it will cut off the supply of refrigerant to the particular room whose temperature is reached, like -18, -19 for meat room, or same for fish room, or 4 degree, 5 degree for vegetable room, whatever is the desired temperature that is reached. So it will cut off the supply in one hand. So it is like a switch on off. Okay, now when we speak about TEV, that is thermostatic expansion valve, then now TEV is acting like it is like mass flow. Okay, so as per the load requirement, TEV is supplying the flow of gas. So it is like a volumetric flow. So okay, it is allowing the amount of flow of the gases as per the load demand. Now imagine if the temperature is pretty lower when we are taking the provisions on the ship, when the temperature is pretty lower, then what it will do, it will supply more gas. Why it will supply more gases? Because now the temperature has got in positive, because we need temperature is -18, -19. Now the temperature is 2 degree, 4 degree. So it will supply more of the gases so that the temperature is reached pretty early. Okay, so as per the load requirement, TEV is supplying, that is thermostatic expansion valve is supplying the flow of gases. So when the load is more, it will supply more gases, and when the load is less, it will supply less gases. Okay, even there is a question pertaining to that, can we adjust the setting of the TEV? No, it is a factory set, we cannot do. But here we can do it by adjusting the spring tension, which is not desired, which is not no, desired by the manufacturer. You adjust the setting of the TEV, but we can do so. So you understood the difference between TEV and solenoid valve. Solenoid valve is acting like a switch, which will allow the flow of gases, okay, or not allow. It is like a switch. Okay, it will cut off the supply. And TEV is like the mass flow. As per the load requirement, it will supply the gases. Okay, or it will increase the supply or reduce the supply. So that is the difference between them.